Good morning. We're looking at a 3-bedroom apartment in Puerto de La Duquesa. It's a frontline beach and frontline marina apartment, and it comes with 3 bedrooms. This is a very light and bright apartment. Most of the furniture will stay, and they are going to take some personal items like paintings and decoration. Terrace, very sunny in the morning. It's 10 o'clock. It's July 2021. Today is not going to be one of the hottest days, which is very nice when you're working. The property is also divided here with another hallway that takes you to bedroom, bedroom, and bedroom. Here to the right, you've got 2 bathrooms. This is the one that you share. The blue room, built-in wardrobes. It might be possible to speak to the community and get this to be a sliding door instead. So you could use it to walk out to the terrace. Master bedroom with ensuite. And exterior window. Very nice sized bedroom with a big wardrobe. And you also have access to this beautiful juliet balcony. And this part enjoys the afternoon sun. All rooms have shutters and air conditioning, hot and cold. The mark is Toshiba. Have you got a second little balcony? With a nice view. And its own wardrobes again. The air conditioning has recently been checked, so the warm and the hot air is functioning. Now we're going to have a look at the kitchen. Now the kitchen has been redone for a few years ago. I would probably, because it's modern today, open up this wall to get more brightness and to be with you can open up it to the living room. And it is a really nice feature. I've seen it many times in other apartments and it looks great. So you're standing in your kitchen, but you're also enjoying your family and friends that you're going to entertain. White siltstone, marble floors, new washing machine, dishwasher. You also have this little crane, brings you filtered water, so you can drink water. It's about 2 years old. Separate annex to the kitchen, where you have coffee machine, all the stuff, cleaning, iron. But it is pretty unique if you have in mind that you're still seeing the marina and the sea at the same time. So this property is coming up for sale at the price of €390,000, and it also has a garage space included in the price. It is walking distance to everything. We are pleased to say that this is one of our better exclusivities we have at the moment, with a fantastic location. So for any additional pictures and information, feel free to contact me, info@anovastates.com. My name is Tanya. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe. Have a great day.